what's up, welcome back to the channel. So we got a cool video for you. I got some stuff in the mail for past month or so. But first off, I got a couple shop cards, or not shop cards, but Christmas cards. The first one we got was from good old Tom of Rammer 69. He's always a really awesome person, and actually he was my very first subscriber on this channel. So Tom, I cannot thank you enough. This is a really cool card. Tom, if you don't know Tom, he is all about these hot rods. Pretty much every Christmas card he gives people has at least some kind of sort of hot rod. So that is really cool. So thank you so much, Tom. This is really cool, and we're gonna get those hung up. Then the last card I got, I don't really do too much Christmas cards, and a lot of people don't know where I live, but we got Daniel's card. This is a really cool card. We got a nice real coffee mug. That's really cool. So Daniel, I cannot thank you enough for your card, and thank you so much, and Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm not sure this will be my last video before Christmas, but who knows, maybe there might be a video popping up, but I'm gonna have to show you some stuff. We got some stuff in the mail. I think it's pretty cool. So first off, I got some stuff from Spot Models. Spot Models is from a different country, but they have so much unique stuff. So let's show you some stuff we got. So first off, we got some really cool decals. They actually have Pacific decals, and one of the things I wanted was a golf decal sheet. This is so cool. Look at all these little guys. It's so sick. So I wanted a golf decal sheet because I got to do Brian's BG Model Workshop's his pre-season build, and I want to do a golf pretty much paint scheme for his truck because Brian loves golf. That's his favorite, you know. Pretty much any kind of a work truck vibe he likes. And also another thing they have Brumbo brakes. I saw that was actually really cool. Look at these little Brumbos, because I 3D print Brumbo brakes, but it's so hard to detail paint those Brumbo letters because they're so small. But this is gonna make it much easier. So we got the black, and we also got the white ones. They also had red ones, but I don't think I'm going to use the red ones too often. But these are so cool. I mean, there's just a lot on there. So those are really cool. I mean, they have tons of different, you know, they have like PlayStation. They have all kinds of decals. It's so cool. And then our decal sheet, we got some New York decals. I'm not sure who makes these. They're just kind of like loose. So they got some kind of decal company they work with. We got New York City taxi cab. Waterside decals. This is so cool. So I got a New York City, or I got a taxi cab kit in my stash from AMT. So this is gonna be pretty cool. So good old taxi, New York, because this is where I'm from. Well, not from New York City, but I'm from upstate New York. But we go to New York City a lot because we're only like 3 hours from the city. It's always fun to go out there for Christmas time. Christmas is actually a really fun time. Go to New York. Yes, it is cold because, you know, upstate, you're northern, but it's so cool. You get to see the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree this year was actually from Canada, which is so cool. And last year's Christmas tree from New York was actually where I was from, Binghamton. So that was really cool. So last year's tree, yeah, it was local. It was so cool. But this year's tree is from Canada, and it's just so beautiful. And then we also got a New York State Trooper decal sheet. This is for the AMT police car kit that AMT just bought out a couple months ago. So this is gonna fit directly on that. This is gonna be so cool. There's not a lot to the New York State Trooper police car. This is for the Dodge Charger, of course, for the AMT kit. So that's that, and I don't think this is water slide decals, but I think, I don't know, is it? No, I think it is. It's just, oh yeah, water slide. No, I think it's just paper, but we got the license plates, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I want to do New York State Trooper police card. I think this would be pretty cool. So that's it for the decals. We got, well, actually not it for you know, that's it for the loose decals from there. We got some more decals. We got some SK decals from, there we go, Spot Model. This is actually the decals for the wide body GTR and the wide body Lamborghini. They're literally the same decal sheet, but I think it'd be so cool to have the GTR and a Lamborghini in a matching pretty much livery or paint scheme, you want to call it. This is really cool. This is like a military type deal paint scheme. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's kind of branding, and it's so cool. I know Tom of November 69 built this built this particular paint scheme on the GTR, and it looks so cool. There's not a lot to it. I mean, just a very small decal sheet. So we got that, and then I wanted the Lamborghini. Just had it kind of have them sit next to each other. This would be so cool. And this one actually has some interior bits and pieces, like camouflaging for the seats and stuff. That's gonna be so cool. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. All that is for the interior. That's gonna be so unique, and that is so cool. So we got those for the wide body cars for, you know, basically Japan. So that's gonna be really cool. And another decal sheet. I saw this. I had to get it. I thought it was so cool. We got one for the Mercedes AMG GT3, the Euro version, or EVO, what the heck that means. This paint scheme is so cool. They have tons of decals for this car. This one's from this brand. I heard it's a good brand, so that's why I got it. But this is so cool. It's a full wrap. So you got number 1, I believe. Yeah, number 1. Then you got all of your branding, little sponsors here, and then of course your full wrap. That is so cool. This is a really cool paint scheme. I want to do this car this year, or next year, my bad, for 2025. I thought this is a really cool one. I do have another one from SK Decals, which is the gummy bear paint scheme. I thought that was pretty cool too, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those kits. And the last thing for decals for spot models is we actually got some really cool, like, tire markings. Look at this. This is so cool. This is really amazing. It actually looks like someone actually wrote on there, because I tried to write on the tires and they're so small, but this is gonna look so cool, and this is gonna make it look absolutely amazing. So I got your, you get your left, there we go, left, right, number 3, whatever, arrows point which direction your tire has to go. I mean, this is so handy. I mean, this is actually really nice, and these are cheap. I mean, I think it was like $6 or something like that. So not bad, and this is gonna last you for multiple models, of course. This is just really cool. Yeah, that's wicked cool. Then the last thing I got from a spot model is, this is so cool. I've never even knew they even had these. Check this out. They actually had zip ties. These are zip ties. Look at that. That is insane. What these are going to be used for me at least, is going to be for NASCAR. Because NASCAR engine bays, they zip tie all the hoses and wiring to the chassis. So I got 2 black and I got a white one. I mean, this is gonna be so cool. This is gonna be so accurate to scale, because on the now, like NASCAR cars, for the interior and also the engine bay, they zip tie a lot of hoses and wires to the frame and the interior and stuff. This is gonna be so cool. So I had to get these because this is gonna be so accurate. It's just gonna be wicked cool. So that's about it for our spot hobbies or spot model. Really cool place. They have so much stuff, and I ordered this stuff, I think it was like a Saturday, or no, yeah, it was like a Friday, like a late Friday, and they didn't ship it until Monday, and I literally got it like on a Wednesday. I mean, it's insane. It took 3 days to ship it, or 3 days to get it. I mean, that's insane for across the seas. So I'm definitely gonna be ordering more from there. I mean, it's wicked cool. So we got a few kits I want to show you. First kit I want to show you is from Sam over at Splash Paints. He went ahead, he wanted me to build this kit for him, or he just wanted me to build it for the channel for you guys, and I cannot thank Sam enough. He went ahead and sent me the brand new Porsche 911 GT3 RS kit. This is insane. This is a really highly anticipated model for this year. This kit is really detailed. I mean, if you have seen Tamiya post about this kit, you probably know how detailed this kit is. This is their detail kit of the year, because once a year Tamiya, they do one full-on, like, crazy detailed model each year. And this is for the pick for 2024, and this is insane. This is so cool. I mean, the body interior is separate. I mean, a lot of stuff is separate, and it's just gonna be a beautiful car. And the only person that made this kit was actually Automotive, but I don't think nobody really wanted to spend about $200 for a kit. And this kit is only, I think it's like 45, 46 bucks, maybe 50 bucks, I think. But it's under 50 bucks, I know, or 50 bucks even. So that's significantly cheaper than the Automotive, because I think the Automotive is like 160 or something, which I don't think nobody wants to spend that much for a resin kit. Yes, you are getting a lot of photo edge, but this is be a lot more detailed than the resin kit. But this is so nice. So Sam, I cannot thank you enough. We are going to be doing this next year for 2025. I believe Sam, well, hopefully Sam will be going to N.Y.S. I did give him a contact to email the host of N.Y.S. So hopefully Sam will be going there, and Sam will be able to see this in person. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And then one last kit I got. This is the highly anticipated model for this year, which was the Mobius Models 72 Ford F350 4x4 tow truck. This kit is very highly anticipated model for this year. Everyone has been waiting for this model to come out, and my hobby shop came in clutch. My hobby shop bought like 30 or 60 cases, or not cases, but 2 cases. Each case hold 30 models, so they got 60 models. So I went ahead, and as soon as they posted it, I went there and I did actually got 2. I bought 2 of these because I know once these sell out, they're not going to be in stock from Mobius for at least 6, if not probably 6 to 9 months before Mobius can get back in stock, because Mobius is a small company. Well, not, I wouldn't say small company. I would say JR Models is smaller than them, but they are still a small company. So whatever they have, and when they sell out, they're going to be sold out for at least half a year before they can get more back in stock. But they will get more back in stock, but I wanted to get one because I want to do one probably next year. This is just a beautiful kit. It's a big kit. I mean, the box is thick. I mean, this is a thicker box than usual. The normal box is like at least to here, but this is extra, I want to say a good 3 inches thicker, because you get the tow bed and stuff. But this is really cool, so I'm so happy my hobby shop had it, and I went ahead and got it MSRP price, so it was 46 bucks, which is not bad, because there's a lot of parts in this kit. I saw some videos, and this kit is insane. You got 4x4, you got a transfer case, just really cool. So if I were you guys, get this kit as soon as possible, because I am already seeing some crazy prices on eBay, like 80 bucks, and somehow, in some way, some guy actually bought it. Don't know why. It's like some hobby shops are just literally just getting this in stock. So just buy this off your hobby shop or online hobby shop, and get it as soon as possible before they sell out, because they're not gonna be able to get back in stock for at least 6 months or longer. And then if you want one, then you have to pay a good crazy price for on eBay. So just get one now. You know, just at least get 2 if you want, like I did, and you know, this would be so cool. But alright, now guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Again, I'm not sure this is my last video before the new year, or not new year, but before Christmas. But if so, Merry Christmas, everyone. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you guys before the new year or after Christmas, and we'll give you an update on my USAC build, which we definitely do more before we get our first update. But like I said, guys, it is my video for my before Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next video, we'll catch you next time.